hope you are all friends well. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press like button and bell icon. Today big news. This news Japanese country. I love Japanese. My name is Ahmad. I am Pakistani, but Japanese country is beautiful. Please subscribe now. Today big news. After the SixTONES Dome tour VVS ends, they will join TOBE as a way of repaying Hideki Takizawa. SnowMan is also likely to transfer and the future of farmer Johnny is in doubt. This is very beautiful news today. I am so excited. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, press like button and bell icon. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.